Here we go, guys. Got the fish in today. Gonna do a little bit of revealing here. See what we got. Let's see. Just came in, ordered a few goodies for the fish tanks. Let's see how we got here. Alright, a little hard to do with one hand, but looks like we got some albino catfish here. Little bitty guys. I'll go ahead and get them set up in this lower tank. Get them acclimating. Gonna want to let them sit in there for a half hour, let the temperatures equalize. Let's see what we got next here. Oh, my Oscars. Got a few different Oscars there. Couple albinos, couple tigers. Just little guys, gonna have to grow them up before they go into the big tank. There we go, let them sit in there. Let's see what else we got here. I got the Picossomuses, our koi. There we go. Some nice koi there. We'll set them in the tank out here. Got to grow them up before we can put them in that big tank, so put them in here for now. Let them get acclimated. Looking pretty good. There's our Picossomuses. Got a couple of them because how many tanks I got, but we're gonna put a couple in each tank. Let them take care of the algae, make sure nothing builds up. Keep those looking good. So now we got those guys sitting in there. We'll let them acclimate the temperature and then we'll release them into the tank. Give it about 20-30 minutes. Same with these guys. We'll let them acclimate. Give them a little bit of time. Not looking too bad.